20 miles per hour.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Whoa!
A severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunterdon County, southern Morris County, northern Somerset County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., National Weather The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Bloomsbury, Millington, Madison, Florham Park. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Asking Ridge, Millington, Madison, Florham Park. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. In New Jersey, Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Somerset. The following is a short